Over a lifetime, we build incredibly complex structures. Think about the assets you accumulate: bank accounts, investment portfolios, cryptocurrency wallets, property deeds, business shares, and a vast digital footprint of passwords and private documents. To keep all of this safe, we surround it with walls. We secure these assets using multi-factor authentication, biometric locks, encrypted hard drives, and heavy steel safe deposit boxes. These defenses do exactly what they are supposed to do. They keep thieves and hackers out. But the entire architecture of this security rests on a single point of failure. It requires you to be there, entering the PIN, scanning your face, or holding the key. This creates a structural paradox. Our reliance on digital keys and private encryption means that without a prearranged handoff, your security measures can transform into a wall. While some physical assets may eventually clear probate, your digital life and private keys risk becoming functionally inaccessible to the people you left behind. Imagine you are suddenly gone. The perspective shifts immediately to the people you leave behind. They are standing outside the walls you built, with no way to get in. This animation shows what happens next. The central identity node, you, shatters. Your assets don't disappear. They scatter into a disorganized, unconnected constellation. Passwords, crypto seed phrases, and physical documents remain hidden in notebooks or locked inside devices that nobody else can open. Alessio Ludozzi, a finance executive with a multinational portfolio of investments and businesses, encountered this exact structural flaw in his own life. When he looked for a way to ensure his family could actually find and access these accounts without compromising his daily security, he hit a wall. Banks, lawyers, and insurance companies simply didn't offer a unified, secure tool to bridge the gap between absolute living security and guaranteed eventual transfer. By hiding our assets to protect our families from external threats, we inadvertently hide our entire legacy from them when they need it most. Heritage AI was built to resolve this tension. It is a specialized digital inheritance vault designed to organize your information and eventually deliver it to your beneficiaries, functioning entirely separate from banks or law firms. Looking at this diagram, we see the foundation of the system, a zero-knowledge architecture. Notice how the document icon transforms into an opaque cryptographic cipher block directly on the local device. This means your data is fully encrypted on your phone or computer before it ever leaves your hands. As that block migrates to the central server environment, it remains locked. This zero-knowledge state is an architectural certainty. The encryption key never reaches the servers in a readable form, making it mathematically impossible for Heritage employees to access the contents. This design ensures your digital fortress remains impenetrable to outside forces as long as you are alive. This creates a new mechanical challenge. If the system is entirely blind to what is inside the vault, how does it know when to unlock it? This animation illustrates the solution, a cryptographic time lock. The vault's key is encrypted against a future point in time. Those signals driving the radial lock forward come from a decentralized network of time beacons called DRAND. No single party controls this clock. To keep the vault closed while you are active, Heritage uses a heartbeat system. At regular intervals, the app sends a quiet reminder. When you confirm you are there, that distinct pulse resets the lock's progression, pushing the opening time further into the future. The system triggers a gentle, multi-week escalation protocol, sending emails and SMS messages. It is designed to give you every opportunity to respond, ensuring a living user is never penalized for a forgotten alert. Only after the full escalation sequence expires with zero response does a permanent mathematical shift occur. The time lock matures, and the vault silently becomes accessible. The system triggers delivery through the mathematically verified fact of your absence. The moment that vault opens, the system's artificial intelligence activates to execute your instructions. The AI organizes a lifetime of scattered data into distinct pre-assigned envelopes. Those pathways connect directly to beneficiaries. A spouse receives financial accounts. A child gets crypto instructions. A partner receives contracts. Each person receives exactly what you intended and nothing else. This automated delivery replaces the usual reality, where grieving families are forced to search through offices, guess computer passwords, and track down scattered paperwork while trying to process their loss. Instead of confusion and legal friction, your family is given immediate, total clarity over the estate. Everything they need to navigate the financial and digital world you left behind is clearly laid out for them. The creators of the platform made a deliberate choice with their domain name, heritage.rip. It is a quiet, mature acknowledgement of human mortality. Organizing your life this way requires looking directly at the inevitable, but it is a profound act of foresight and care, especially for the people you leave behind. You work your entire life to build something of value. Heritage ensures you protect your assets today and pass them to the people who matter tomorrow.